5 Supplement Myths. Dietary supplements are products that are intended to supplement normal diets and that contain ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids and botanicals. When combined with proper diet and training, they can catalyze your progress. Unfortunately, supplements are a tricky business. With so many products on the market, it is difficult to know which ones are worth it and which ones aren't. Here are the top 5 supplement myths to help you along the way. Number 5. Myth number 5 is that cheap prices mean a better deal. Like anything in life, there is no such thing as a free lunch. And if it looks too good to be true, most likely it is. Just like you won't ever find a diamond on sale, don't expect to find a high quality product on sale. If it's super cheap, then it's cheap for a reason. If you're serious about your health, don't penny pinch your supplement arsenal. Number 4. The science backs it up, so it must work. Myth is at 4. Yes, a good handful of companies can back up their formulas and products with clinical studies done on humans, not rats mind you, but not all companies back up their claims with reliable research. Be aware of the use of scientific slant, which is when companies put scientific references on ad materials or product packaging. Many supplement companies don't reveal the entire truth of the science, just what you want to hear. Number 3. The owner of the store knows best comes in at number 3. How many times have you been in a supplement store and asked the owner or store clerk which one is the best? Even if there is a better quality product on their shelf, sometimes they will recommend the product that the store gets the highest profit margins on, which in most cases is not the best quality product. Store clerks are trained to say, go with this one, it tastes great, it's great quality and a decent price. Now, how can you say no to that if you don't know any better? Do meticulous research on the variety of supplements available before you walk into the store so you don't get suckered for the next shiny object. Number 2. And number 2, supplements are safe because they are natural is a popular myth. Just because you can buy them at the local health food store does not mean they are not filled with synthetics, fillers, artificial sweeteners and low quality ingredients. Some fat burners will not face certain people, while other people can develop heart and blood pressure problems. So beware and consult with your doctor before taking any new supplement. The supplement store owner is rarely a registered dietitian or medical doctor. Number 1. The biggest myth at number 1 is that supplements are safe because you can buy them over the counter. The government does not regulate supplements. So it's up to you to do your own research and determine which products have long-term scientific evidence to support their claims. The only way an unsafe supplement will leave the market is if the free market, that is you and I, regulate it out of existence.